Hey, welcome everybody. That's right, we got a big announcement here today on April 1st. It is the brand new look, the brand new way of doing things. This is 77, the all new Buzz. That's right, we were the Buzz back in the day, and this is the all new look of 77, the all new Buzz on April Fool's Day 2015. Opening day is Monday, April 6th, around Major League Baseball. And boy, oh boy, do we got a show in store for you. Make sure you visit our website, beermannet.com, and you'll be able to watch it all live on YouTube. That's right. We're going to put the show on for you live on YouTube this Monday, April 6th. You'll be able to watch it all on a simple place, youtube.com/Beerman TV. And you might be watching this video right there, right now, as we'll be able to put this up there in a little bit. So, yes, indeedy, we will be there. So, you definitely want to be there. There's no doubt about it, folks. You want to be there. And we got big things in store for you starting on Monday, April 6th. And my co-host Jessica Reed is expected to join me, plus many special guests and surprises for you. So you don't want to miss it, okay? On Monday, April 6th, beginning at 1 p.m. East Coast time. Make sure you're there as we do it live. And if you can't be with us live, you can check it out on YouTube at your convenience on our YouTube page. So it's definitely the place to be as we bring it to you live today with the all new beginning. We started all over. 77, the all new Buzz. I'm your beer man, ready to get it going. Fired up to be back with this format, and we're going to have a good time. We always did have a good time at the old 77, the Buzz. Now it's the all new. It's 77, the all new Buzz. Here in 2015, get ready for excitement galore as we go live on Monday, 1 p.m. East Coast time. Be there. You don't want to miss this one. You can watch it from your smartphones on YouTube, so no excuses, folks. It's going to be a good time. Be there Monday, April 6th. We'll see you at 1 p.m. East Coast time. Till then, I'm the beer man saying, Happy April Fool's Day, but this ain't no joke. This ain't no joke. I want to make sure of that. It's April Fool's Day, but I did my joke earlier. You can see it at facebook.com/. You know the address. Just find it. Facebook.com/Beerman Network. There you go. I'm the Beer Man saying welcome to 77, the all new Buzz.